Today we're going to read Hello Hippo, Goodbye Bird by Kristen Crow and Polly Bernatine. Hello Hippo. Go away. But you need a bird like me. I'm a great hat. Or check this out. I'm a hippopotamustache. I also tell jokes. Want to hear one? Get off my head. Ahoy, matey. Never fear, your umbrella is here. Goodbye, bird. Go, 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 go. Boo! Woo, he's gone. Good. What do we do now? I don't know. Wait a minute, it's you. Hello, Hippo. Goodbye, bird. Yeah. Oh? Ah. Well. Hello, Hippo. Ah. Help. Oh, that sounds like an invitation to lunch. Go. There. You're bug-free, and I'm stuffed. Don't we make a good team? For the last time. Goodbye, bird. Kaboom! Bird. Bird, you there? Bird, you can come back now. I need an umbrella. Hello! Bird! It's not raining anymore. Oh. Admit it. You didn't need an umbrella. You just missed me. No. I told you we make a great team. So, what is a hippo's favorite thing to sit on? I don't know. A pesky bird? His hippo bottoms. Whoosh. Yeah. Oh? Ah. The end.